Today I'll show you how to do sewing template by using Richpeace V9 software. First, we draw a rectangle with intelligent pen. Input the value you need. For example, 50 and 65. It's okay. And another 50 is okay. And we do a draw line. Draw the shape. And right-click this curve to modify. Modify this curve until you are satisfied. Okay, and we use the arc corner tool to you do a corner. Okay. Use the eraser to cancel the line. And we connect it. Do a symmetry. Okay. And we draw a parallel for okay here. And we open the public picture library. There are many pictures. You can call up the required library at any time, as well as editing the figures. For example, we choose this picture and we modify the width and the length. Okay, we do a symmetry. It's okay. We do another. Use the arc corner. Okay. we connect the lines. Use intelligent pen and do a parallel. So it's okay. And use set curves. We change the type of curve and line. For example, this. And use intelligent pen for. We can see the lines type changed. Put the value you need. And we do a symmetry. Same operation. Okay, and open the picture library again. Select this tool and we click the left, and you can see the pictures. And we do a symmetry. Do the same operation again. Okay. Then we open the picture library again. Change the type of size. Okay, it's okay. Uh, there we change the lines type. Okay, we finished it. Next, we do the sewing template. First, we select the option and select system setup and define the toolbar. Add the tool you need. For example, this sewing template we need, we add it, and this add it, and this auto arrange sewing order add, and finally we remember price OK, and okay, and uh, click when we click right in the blank, we can see the tool we just added. We use this. First, we create create a regular template. You can input the value you need. For example, 75. Okay, and we use the 4 fags to make the pattern piece. Okay, we put it in there. Okay, and then we select this tool. We select the line you need to a template, and click the right in the blank, and you can see the dialog. There you can select the type sewing laser cut pen. We choose sewing, and we can uh, we can input the value we need. For example, template width and stack blank length and black length. Uh, it's okay. Finally press OK, and we can see the template just like this. Okay. When you press Shift key, and you can see the you can see it change. This is a start, and then we press Shift to change again, and the value you can change. For example, if you want start from here, you press it, it changed one, and if you want uh, this is the second, you press it and it too change the two. You can set up one by one. For example, there's 3 and 4, and you can change it. And when the sewing machine uh, do the pattern uh, from 1 to 3 to uh, 1 to 2 to 3, or we can use this auto arrange. For example, we put this, and uh, we can input the start index. For example, 5. It's changed. Um, both tools can change. Okay. We draw a rectangle again. For example, 70. Okay, and we move the pattern and select this tool, and for example, we just choose this line, and choose this line and click the left, and you can see the dialog, and change you just you want. It's okay. Then you can see this. Okay. Okay, we finished. Press shift to change. Okay. You can see the figure, and you can change it. Okay, we finished. We finished, and finally we save it, and press click file, and we choose ex export auto sewing file, and you can choose this. Press OK, and we save it. Okay, we finished.